Hello and good day. This is Benji Chodoro. Welcome to my stock market channel September 17 edition. I'll give you the news on your favorite stocks, a summary on how the PSEI performed today, and basic technical analysis of some of the most active stocks. But before I proceed, I invite you to read some reminders. Paki-pause lang po ang video. Pagkatapos po ay tayo ay magpapatuloy. Maraming pong salamat. Before I proceed, some news items which I got from our leading newspapers. Okay, this is from the Philstar. Investors cashed in on gains from market's recent run-up, dragging the main index back below the 6,000 level. According to an analyst from AB Capital, the PSEI tumbled back to the 5,900 level, and the local market was not able to sustain the trading above the 6,000 mark, as heavyweights that lifted the index the previous session were the top decliners. In addition, losses were felt across the board as investors reduced risk while monitoring the pace of the country's recovery. Although the general sentiment has improved since the economic activity picked up, investors remain cautious to avoid jumping the gun, similar to what we saw back in June when the market rallied too far, too fast. The market's current movement with less volatility creates a better environment for investors, says AAA Southeast Equities. Another news is on Meralco, just the headline. From the business world, Meralco settles fines, plans $200 million discount to poor customers in October. And another one, also from business world, the Supreme Court upholds Rason takeover of Iloilo Power Firm. So the news says the Supreme Court upheld the validity of the provisions of law allowing the Rason-led More Electric and Power Corp to take over the power distribution assets in Iloilo City. The court's public information chief told reporters that the justices voted 8-6 in favor of More. So this is a very close vote. So in granting the petitions, the Supreme Court reversed the judgment of the Regional Trial Court and declared Section 10 and 17 of RA 11212 constitutional. And as a backgrounder, More, led by businessman Enrique Razon in February 2019, was granted a 25-year franchise to provide electricity to Iloilo City, replacing Panay Electric Company or PECO. So that's the news for the day, coming from the Philippine Star and Business World. By the way, before I proceed, may I invite you to subscribe to my channel and like my channel. Now let's go to the PSEI index. The time is 12:46, and before we go to the index, let's take a look at the net foreign buying or selling in the past few days. It has been selling in the past few days, and the only net buying was on September 10. Yesterday it was a net selling or net sell of 843 million pesos. So how is the PSEI faring now? It's at 59.12. The market is about to close in 12 minutes or 13 minutes. Let's take a look at the most active stocks. Let's take a look at BDO, the first on the list. Okay, BDO is down today. It opened at 88.90 and it's about to close. The projected close is 87.90. So it's moving sideways below the EMA 20. It's a red candlestick. So I would say that the support level of BDO is here. The nearest support I see is actually it's sitting on support. No, ito siya. Pero support area na po ito. And the resistance level, I see a resistance, the nearest resistance as here, 92. So that's for BDO, which continue to move sideways. Another stock that we can, the next active, that's Ali. Okay, it continues to move sideways below the MA20. It's a red candlestick. Opened at 31.45 but the projected close is 31.75. Siguro merong bumili. So, it is also at a support level. Yan yung support niya. If there is no catalyst, it will continue to move sideways. Okay, walang volume eh. And below the MA20 siya. Okay, 31.45 na yung projected close niya. Okay, another stock, SMPH. Okay, ano din siya? Down din ang SMPH. And it's actually in the support level also. So, ito yung support niya. Okay, it's just moving within the support and resistance. Nearest resistance is here. 29.33 and nearest support is 28. Then let's take a look at TEL. Okay, TEL ended below the 1400 level at 1390. So it is within the support area and it breached the MA20. So actually this is support area also. There's no volume. Actually malaking volume pero it's below the usual average. So there appears to be some accumulation here. You'll take a look at the RSI. RSI is below 50 which indicate a bearish sentiment. Okay, let's take a look at another. Okay, plot natin yung resistance. Resistance, the nearest resistance I see is here. 1447. Okay, another stock. One of the most active today, JFC. Okay, moving sideways but it's down. 2.33% down. So na-breach na niya yung support level and it is now within the second support area. Actually, support na ito eh. Pero there's another support here. Kung magpatuloy pa yan pababa, ito yung pinaka second support level niya. 126.31. But there is no volume also. Lackluster yung trades. Then malaki na rin. 4,092. 4.92k at 205 million. So is that 5 already? So let's take a look at another stock pero dito naman tayo sa plus side. MEH. I'm sorry. Pure Gold. Pure Gold muna tayo. Pure Gold nag-bounce oh. Nag-bounce siya sa MA100. Actually ano na to eh. Support area din to eh. Pero nag-bounce siya today. From 47.70 opening, it increased 3% from the previous, now at 49.15. Pero ano eh, bearish pa rin yung sentiment eh. Mababa pa rin yung RSI. I see a channel, a downward channel actually, here. Kasi below the MA20 and below the MA50 eh. So if we will draw a channel for Pure Gold, yan siya. Okay, yan yung channel niya. So it's sitting on support and the next support level, if the channel continues its downward trend, is dito, here. This one, 46.59. So let's take a look at another one. Yung top gainer naman, MAH. I think this is a second liner. MAH, breakout play, 1,060 trades, valued at 16.39 million. But the market cap is just 371 million. That's, I would say, a third liner. But volume, maganda oh. Nag-start kahapon. And then, nag-continue today. And resistance level that I see Dahil nagsa-surge tong si MAH eh. Malayo yung resistance niya eh. Ang next resistance na nakikita ko nandito eh. 237. Kasi nasa resistance na ito. If this breaks, then the next resistance is okay. Nandito. 239. 234 yung next resistance niya. Okay, as in previous episodes, napapaalala lang ako that if you will buy, you'll have to have your risk management ready. Kailangan may stop loss po tayo. And usually the second day of breakout, ang third day, pwede magtuloy o pwede mag-consolidate. Pero the volume is very good so magtutuloy ito. And the RSI is very bullish, over 70. Let's see the DMI. 33, so malakas yung stock. So meron siyang definite trend upwards. So 33 yung kanyang DMI. A DMI of 30 and above indicates a bullish trend. Okay, let's take a look at another stock. APL. Hmm. 289 trades lang. And this is kind of low. I wouldn't be trading much on this stock, although the market cap is 16.26 billion, which makes it a second liner. Look at that, pantay-pantay siya. Tapos nagkaroon ng surge dito, tapos nag-consolidate. It's consolidating. Pero not much I can say about the stock except that it is already at a very expensive level. Kasi 0.05, 8.06 yung high. Expensive level na po ito. So baka lang mag-profit taking or continue to move sideways. Yun lang masasabi ko po dito sa stock na ito. Let's take a look at another one. CHP. CHP continues to move sideways, but it's a green candlestick now. So the support level is here. And I see that it will continue to move sideways unless there is a catalyst. This is a cement company. So nag-open ang economy. The resistance, I can plot it at this level. Okay. 1.61 is the resistance and 1.48 is the support. Okay, let's choose another stock. Last na ito. Take a look at Dito. This is our last stock. Okay, it's a green candlestick, but it's a short one. 2.22% increase. And it continues to move upwards. Here, it's already above the EMA 20. And it appears to consolidate here, but the consolidation is still above the EMA 20 before it continued upwards. So there's not much volume. So tingin ko nagko-consolidate lang siya dito, here, before it either move upwards because our indicators are below the candlesticks, below the three main indicators, the EMA 20, the medium term 50 EMA 50, and the long term 100 EMA. And I would plot the resistance here. Actually, it's filling a gap here, no? Ito na yung resistance niya. Nakikita niyo yung gap dito? Ayan yung fini-fill up niya. Kaya baka umabot pa siya dito sa resistance to fill that gap here. Okay? Let's go back to the PSEI. The PSEI closed today at 5943.52. It had a total volume of 952 million, valued at 6 billion. 78 companies advanced, 106 declined, while 58 remained unchanged. Total trades is 68.75 thousand. On the sectors, all sectors were in the red except the financials and the services. Okay, the mining sector led the decline at 1.32%, followed by the industrials at 0.44. So that's how the PSEI fared today. That's it for today's edition. I invite you to subscribe and like my channel. This is Benji Chidoro reminding you that an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Thank you and bye for now.